we have the current stock market update for MAXEON Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the 15-minute price chart for this stock. And it is quite important that we look at this time frame because there are some very important key price developments, share price developments that have occurred with this stock over recent trading sessions. So in this video, I will be outlining some very important price levels so that traders will be able to hopefully develop profitable trading strategies for this stock going forward. So as we can see here, this is the 15-minute price chart. And the reason that I choose this time frame comes mostly from the fact that share prices tend to become very difficult to watch and to look at when we pull out to these longer term time frames. Essentially, there have been some periods of upward price movement, as we can see right here, for example. There are some situations where share prices have moved into positive territory. However, these moves tend to be very short-lived, and overall, it is clear at this point that the main trajectory for this stock is in the downward direction. So when I covered this stock previously, many people in the comments section would tell me why they learned about this stock in the first place. Many of these people were watching other YouTubers that claim to have financial experience, which they really don't seem to have. And many of these people, YouTubers, recommended people to buy this stock at much higher levels. And many of these positions now, most of these people we're seeing losses now in their trade. So that's very unfortunate because there is real money on the line here. And it's really sad to see the fact that YouTube allows people to post, very clickbaity type things, telling people that, share prices are going to the moon and things like that. When it's not really true. I mean, the share prices has done nothing but decline here. And these are real people with real money on the line. I mean, this isn't monopoly money. This isn't a game. So it's unfortunate to see that so many people, were led astray by these other YouTubers. And this is why I have opened a specific members only section of the channel that is perfectly suited for these people because this is tailored for beginners, and we have many very successful small cap stock trades. I understand that many people want to look into small cap stocks because there is explosive growth potential if you choose the right names. However, names like MAXEON Solar here, the overall trade direction here isn't there's not much controversial that can be said here. Clearly, the negative movement is the dominant movement here. We really haven't seen very many rallies, and when they do occur, they tend to be very short-lived in nature. When I opened the members only section of the channel, this is specifically who I had in mind: the people that are in very bad trading positions and need a way to get out of them. So hopefully, people will have some success making the transition into those new stock trades. But you do need to become a member of the channel in order to do that. And that's not just a subscriber; you need to actually join the channel to see those videos because they are in the members only section. So as things currently stand here, what we can see is a very major price break to the downside. Specifically, what I would point to initially would be this break below 11.4 cents. This is quite significant because, as you can see, in the prior situation, the prior circumstances where MAXEON did manage to test this level, we did see a fairly decent price rally into 23 cents. So share prices, roughly doubled in value from 11.5 cents roughly to roughly 23 cents per share. As you can see here, this occurred during a very short period of time. We can see that the price was trading around 11 cents Friday, August 16, and then this price high develops during the following Monday, which is, we're really talking about one trading session here. So, as things move higher like this, we do see that the price highs are very short-lived. Each candle in this price chart represents a 15-minute trading period. So, one candle is 15 minutes. And as we can see here, the body of these candles at these upper levels, very small in size. So what this means is that share prices reversed from these levels quite quickly. We were not able to hold 23 cents for a very long period of time. Prices quickly shot lower once again. And now we have retraced roughly half of that initial rally. So as we can see here, we can measure that rally, and we can see that we've given back roughly 70% of that rally. And this occurred by the Tuesday trading session. Okay, so the initial rally occurs on Monday. We've already lost roughly 70% of that rally on Tuesday. So, this is a very scary, volatile trading situation here. And this is a stock that really sucks people in at the wrong level. And a lot of this is based on people that have YouTube channels that really shouldn't be doing financial content. I mean, they should probably be doing something silly like, I don't even know what, I'm not even going to say, I don't know what people do on YouTube. Other than financial market stuff. I don't really pay much attention to this, but these people should not be doing financial channels. Is my point? They don't have any experience and they don't actually have any record of success trading the market. So getting into a stock like this where a major rally, it can occur, but it will be gone within 24 hours, something like that. And then after these movements occur, what do we see here? We see share prices drop to lower levels. So for anybody that was, sucked into this stock by a YouTube channel, by a YouTube video, somebody saying that there was a tremendous rally in MAXEON Solar and we're going to the moon and all this stuff. Anybody that maybe these people got in around 19 cents per share. Look at where we're trading now. 8.3 cents is the new low. So, those people would have lost more than half of their position in a matter of days. And we're talking about real money here, and it's not just cents, because in many cases, people buy many shares. If you spend $1,000 on a trade or something like that, and you lose half of the position, you're not losing 23 cents. You're losing hundreds or thousands of dollars, and this money really adds up. And people have families and things that they need to care about. They shouldn't be wasting their money, in a lottery and a stock lottery like this. It really doesn't go anywhere. So I do suggest that these people take a look at the members only section of the channel. This is exactly who it's designed for. People that have gotten into bad trades that they don't know how to get out of, and need some viable alternatives here to make a transition into real trading profitability here. So this is who exactly the channel is meant for. So this is the current stock market update for MAXEON Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Our high-value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high-conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk-to-reward metrics that target massive, market-beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.